During the swell is very excited. Kaya Pastano, congratulations, always coming in clutch. Final second place. Here's your plaque and here's your gift certificate from Dukes and the champ this year, Joey Caillo. And I cannot say enough about this smooth, silky hammer. Her and Puahi DeFries always surfing together, and amazing transition. Joey, amazing, congratulations. I've seen you in the finals at the Honua Interscholastic, and you just keep collecting that hardware. So let's give a round of applause for this year's champion. Joey Caillo is coming, so watch out for her. Big round of applause for our junior